Okay, now we're going to do chapter 17, and this is going to be on page 353. And let's do number 1. And here we're solving for milliliters per hour. And from these weight-based dosages, and round the answer to the nearest tenth. So on this one it says a provider orders abciximab 0.125 micrograms per kilogram per minute. The IV bag contains 5.85 milligrams of abciximab in 250 milliliters. And the patient weighs 65 kilograms. So again, we're solving for milliliters per hour. So I'm going to start out my equation with milliliters on top. So here's my sentences. And here. And again, solving for the tenth. So I'm looking through here, finding my milliliters. Here's 250 milliliters. And that goes with 5.85 milligrams. If this is milligrams, milligrams has to come next. So I look back up at my information. I've used that. And I have micrograms. So I need to go to my known conversion from milligrams to micrograms. And I know there's 1 milligram in 1,000 micrograms. If this is micrograms, I know micrograms is coming next. And I have 0.125 micrograms per kilogram, because I'm having to plug this in. And with this one, if this is kilograms, I'm going to put kilograms here. I've gotten up to this point. I'm going to plug in now my 65 kilograms. And then I'm going to finish out my equation and put my minutes here. And I'm looking back up here for my hours, and I'm not where I want to be, and I need to get to hours. So if this is minutes, we have to have minutes next, and I want to go to hours, so I know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And that's where we end, because that's what we want to end up with. Milligrams cancel out, micrograms cancel out, kilograms cancel out, minutes cancel out. So that leaves us with 250 times 1 times 0.125 times 65 times 60, and that's not right. 250 times 0.125 times 65 times 60 gives us 121,875. And then we're going to do 5.85 times 1,000, and that gives us 5,850. So 121,875 divided by 5850 gives us 20.83 repeating. And again, rounding to the 10th, I'm going to do 20.8 milliliters per hour. And then let's go ahead and do also from this page, let's do number 7. So number 7, and again this is page 353. Again, solving for milliliters per hour, rounding to the 10th. And so we have here a provider orders Esmolol 0.05 milligrams per kilogram per minute. IV for 4 minutes. The IV bag contains 2.5 grams in 250 milliliters. And again, we're solving for, oops, I forgot the weight. The patient weighs 63 kilograms. Again, solving for milliliters per hour. And so we're going to start with our milliliters on top. All right, so here's our sentences. So milliliters, here was our 250 milliliters over 2.5 grams. If this is grams, we have to have grams next. So I look up here and find, oh, I need to go from grams to milligrams. And I know in 1 gram there are 1,000 milligrams. If this is milligrams, I have milligrams next. 0.05, excuse me, milligrams per kilogram. And then I'm going to plug in my kilograms here, kilogram. So my 63 kilograms is going to go there. And I'm going to go ahead and finish that up over minute to round out this equation. And I need to get to hours, and I'm at minutes. If this is minutes, this has to be minutes, and I need to go to hours, and I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Grams cancel out, milligrams cancel out, kilograms cancel out, minutes cancel out, leaving us with milliliters per hour. So now we do our math across. 250 times 0.05 times 63 times 60, and that gives us 47,250 over 2.5 times 1,000. $2,500. So 47,250 divided by 2,500 gives us 18.9 milliliters per hour.